So, gotta pull this backhoe off of here somehow with no hydraulic power. Got some bigger ratchet straps, so give that a try. So basically what I'm doing, I got this big ratchet strap here. I got the return of the backhoe plugged into the quick disconnect of the tractor. And I can come up this ratchet strap, pick this outrigger up a little bit, then hit the valve for the outrigger, and it comes up a little bit. Slowly go. So I end up going right to a chain come along. Enough with the ratchet straps. So I got that pin in there, so that'll stop, the main boom from falling down. I'm gonna try to hook up the hydraulic lines and see if I can get these outriggers down, and maybe with the stick here in the bucket, maybe I can work to get off of these pins down here. I gotta get that part up and these pins out, and then I can take this off. So let's try it. Pins out. So now I'm going to drop these outriggers and try to lift the back of this up. Tell you, they don't put that in an easy spot to work on. I'm gonna have to pull that entire thing out of there. Here.
What's that? It's broken.
That's what's broken.
Daddy? That's breaking it. Daddy?
Yeah, bud. Where's your shoes?
I don't need it. I don't need it.
You don't need shoes?
I don't need it. I need a black
So
tool.
this wiper
Black tool.
looks to be the same as this.
We need that. We need that.
Oh yeah, we need that. We definitely need that.
And more tools gonna fix it.
So when I went and picked these up, got 2 of them.
Oh, what's over there?
I was thinking this was like some sort of special machine steel or something. This is just plastic. Plastic. Made in Japan. $35. 35 bucks. For this tiny little piece of plastic. 35 bucks. 35 bucks. $70 right there.
More tools.
We need more tools.
Yeah, more tools is in there.
Where are they?
In there.
Oh, you want to go in that box so bad.
Yeah. And it's, oh, that's so cool. That's so cool.
Oh, thank you.
And let me put that there. Ew, that's so nasty.
It's nasty.
Yeah, that's nasty up here. Gotta whip it off. Let me get it too.
The O-rings weren't that bad. They're like, I think they were like $3 a piece. But what are you gonna do? What are you gonna do?
Turn that around. Look, it turns around. One is 6. You're missing a hammer.
Oh, I
And
definitely need a
pliers.
hammer. Hammer, pliers.
Yeah.
What about a blowtorch?
Nope.
No,
No good.
no good. What about a saw?
Yep.
Yep, need a saw. Like a sawzall. Sawzall. Big hammer. Pliers. What else?
And
Maybe some duct tape?
no good for that.
Oh, duct tape's no good for this. Alright. Hey, at
And
least we know.
let's do hammer,
Hammer,
saw,
saw,
and pliers,
pliers.
and
Some toilet paper.
no, that's not gonna work with that.
It's not?
It's not.
Alright, well, I think we can put that back in there and see if it works. What do you think?
And
Yep, so it all went successful. No leaks. I gotta clean this all up down here from where it was leaking. But it's running perfect now. Only other thing I gotta do is this little bracket right here broke off, I want to say last season. So I gotta weld that bracket back on there for these outriggers. That's why this cover's off. Normally I would just reach in here and grab onto them and put them where they had to be. But yeah, that actually wasn't that difficult of a job. Those little plastic wipers though, 35 bucks a pop. That's outrageous. All I gotta do now, I gotta top off this hydraulic fluid. It's looking a little bit low, so